Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Gardening Paradise. My garden is built in front of my house. There are very beautiful flowers in my garden, which are in different colors like red, yellow, pink. Then is green grass in the whole garden and fruit trees are also planted around the garden like guava tree, lemon tree, and big mango tree, etc. My grandfather loves gardening and the other work in our garden every day. He taught me how the water the plants daily and keep healthy in them clean. I water the garden plants daily and take care of them from time and also fertilize them as needed. I play with my pet dog Tom in the garden every evening. Beautiful butterflies over there. And gardening is a good hobby, and you adopt it again and again in the garden every evening. Beautiful butterflies over the flowers in my garden. My garden is so lovely that I spend my time in the garden every day. Gardening is my most favorite hobby, and I love spending time, most spending time in my garden. And I love the lush green grass, beautiful